What happens when luxury meets futuristic design in a compact executive sedan? Thoughtful. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class redefines what a C-Class can be. Sleek, smart, and more luxurious than ever before. This isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution. Let's start at the front, where the 2026 C-Class makes an unforgettable first impression. Gone is the traditional mesh grille. In its place is a black diamond pattern panel, sleek and flush with the bodywork. Front and center, a massive illuminated Mercedes-Benz emblem, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights with boomerang-shaped DRL signatures. They stretch inward like a pair of precision eyes, giving the car a commanding stare even before it moves. Lower down, the triangular air intakes are sculpted for both style and aerodynamics, giving the car a wide, grounded stance. Finished in high-gloss black, these accents deliver a punch of sportiness and drama. Moving to the side, the 2026 C-Class flows like liquid metal. The silhouette is low-slung and coupe-like, with a sweeping roofline that glides seamlessly into the rear deck. The door handles sit flush, and the frameless windows complete the clean, uninterrupted aesthetic. The character line running from the front wheel arch to the rear lights is subtle, yet it adds depth and tension to the body. The multi-spoke turbine-style alloy wheels in gloss black with silver accents bring an elegant aggression that perfectly suits this new generation. And let's not overlook the branding. A minimalistic Mercedes-Benz badge on the side door just adds to the sophistication without overdoing it. Now spin around to the back, and the C-Class continues to impress. The full-width LED light bar seamlessly stretches across the trunk lid, connecting the ultra-thin taillights which almost melt into the curves of the rear body. One small quirk, the text reads Mercedes-Benz on the rear badge. A small typo, perhaps from an early render or prototype, but one that adds some personality to this concept. The lower bumper is sporty, yet restrained. You've got a quad exhaust setup, 2 on each side, integrated cleanly into the blacked-out diffuser. This isn't just a small luxury sedan. This looks like something that's ready to take on performance sedans twice its size. While the design clearly screams electric or hybrid, Mercedes hasn't confirmed the exact powertrain yet. But based on its sealed front grille and aerodynamic rear, we're likely looking at a fully electric C-Class variant, possibly as part of the EQ evolution, or a plug-in hybrid with electric-only range for city driving and turbocharged power for open roads. Expect performance in the range of 250 to 350 horsepower, depending on the trim, with instant torque delivery thanks to an electric motor or a mild hybrid boost system. With a jump in tech, luxury, and design, the starting price is expected around $49,000 for the base model, potentially reaching up to $68,000 for high-performance or AMG variants with all-wheel drive, longer-range batteries, or advanced autonomous systems. Given its style and features, the C-Class now positions itself closer to the E-Class bracket, offering luxury once reserved for higher tiers. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a tech luxury sanctuary. The interior blends artistry and technology like never before. You'll find quilted red Napa leather seats with diamond stitching, ambient lighting that traces the curves of the doors and dash, and a futuristic single-panel dashboard screen that spans across from the steering wheel to the passenger side. The floating center console features hidden touch controls and sleek storage, while a panoramic glass roof opens up the cabin to light and air. It's a space designed not just for driving, but for experiencing luxury, comfort, and connection. Even the steering wheel is redesigned. Sporty, compact, and leather-wrapped with a clean 3-spoke design and integrated haptic buttons. The sound system, voice control, ambient climate, and haptic feedback all come together for an immersive driving experience. So, what do you think of this bold redesign of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class? Is it the luxury sedan of the future we've all been waiting for? From the sculpted exterior to the minimalist tech-driven cabin, Mercedes is clearly raising the bar, not just for itself, but for the entire segment. If you loved this futuristic take on the C-Class, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe for more next-gen reviews and stunning automotive reveals. This isn't just the new C-Class, it's a statement.